4:50. Then we changed and all. We went down. We had an amazing yoga session with one teacher, and it was very fun for us sharing our experience and all. After that, we went for the breakfast. It was very good. In the breakfast, I really loved it. Then we are in our room and we are planning to do the bath.
We had so much fun in horse riding.
I know, right? We had so much of fun trotting and walking. At first we were a little scared. We're not usually into animals, but then when we got onto the horse, we knew that it was such a game changer, and we were really happy that we had been there for the experience.
It's a bigger pool than this pool in our school. And there's different depths.
Okay. So you're enjoying over here?
Yep.
Having fun? What about you all?
I learned a lot of things from the factory about the manufacturing of ice cream. Here at Dairy Day, they start inspection of all of the nuts and all of the food used here. An example using here is the Vescometer. The Vescometer checks for any bacteria, and there's also hand selection if there are any spores or anything like that on the nuts.
Wonderful, awesome experience, sir. We really thank Jain Group for bringing us to this Dairy Day factory, ice cream factory. Our children, our staff, we really enjoyed a lot, and the staff here also took utmost care of everything. They took us to the manufacturing plant, they showed us the cold storage. So it was my childhood dream to come also to an ice cream factory.
Today is the best day ever because we are going hiking and trekking on a mountain. This mountain is really adventurous and we can find our own ways to do it. First of all, the campus is huge and it takes a lot of time to just get to one place, and it has some huge football field, huge cricket stadium, and I really had fun doing yoga this morning. But the thing is, they woke up 5:30, which I felt very lazy to wake up.
Bye.